Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Avalanche also really long time I didn't do any follow-up on this coin. So let's zoom out a little bit. Actually, maybe you need to go on the daily. All right, so I do believe, well, we did the wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Now the question is this wave 4? And we're going to make this wave 5, or this was the 3, the 4, and this was the 5. I honestly believe that, this is just the wave 4, and the wave 5, it's still to come. Now, if I take that point of view, I can say that, where were I? So this is wave 3, so we had A overshooting wave B and a wave C. We got that around, what was that, 15 of April, 13 of April, something like that. And now you can see that anyway, price is trying or attempting to do something. Now once again, this is a little bit, anyway, for me a little bit unclear, but I need to be honest, I didn't have time to spend much time for the micro counting. So quickly, I could say either this is A, B, C for the wave 1, and we're going to do diagonal again. And this is, once again, an A, a B, and a C for the wave 2 that we did. And now this is the beginning of the third wave. If I do micro counting, maybe the first wave is finished of this third wave. Now, other way to read it, let me see. Maybe this is a 1, and we did an A overshooting wave B and a C. So you can see it doesn't really matter the way you read it. I'm still expecting higher high. Now, if as you can see, I did draw this downtrend line in blue. Now I think I can pretty much delete it. As you can see, price, barely reacted. It just cut through like if it was butter, so not relevant, I would say, line, right? Now there was another one here in orange. Sorry. So this is the same. As you can see, barely reacted and then cut through like butter. So off you go. And now we have this one. This one, it looks like, now I would say maybe now it's too early to, let me see on the 1 hour, maybe there is something there. Maybe something more relevant is this one. In fact, it's the longest one, right? So I believe maybe this line it's more, I would say, important. And let's see the reaction now. If I do some micro counting, you can see that maybe this was already wave 1, a wave 2, very nice wave 3. Now, very short wave 4, and this could have been already the wave 5 for this count. This is why I am looking forward now. Now I need to readjust a little bit, because since I did it, price went higher. So for sure, this level here are always static. Okay, so if this is a wave 1, and once again, this is micro counting, right? So this should be a wave 2. So let me change the setting for that, because this is definitely not the setting for a wave 2. So now price should go back around $35, which you see here is DMA 50. So anywhere, honestly, between the 0.5, I'm going to add the 0.382. Forget about the 0.786 into bull markets. So these are the numbers that I want to work with it. And it would be inclined, honestly, DCMA 50. If we keep going a little bit on the up and on the side, right? So anywhere between the 0.382 and a 0.5. So it's going to be between 34, let's say 80 or 75 to 36. I like to round it up. Now, if you want to get some, for sure, try to do some price action. I do find this week here it's kind of, maybe a lighthouse for price. And then look at that. Perfect. to the 0.382. So pretty much convinced it's going to get to that level. Now this one, I have no idea what is it. Yeah, this was for the wave 4. I think I can delete that now. Also, this was micro counting. We can get off that. So I believe this is the 5th wave, and because we have a strong correction, let me see now. Okay. Now I'm doing a little bit of stretching, honestly, but let's see here. If I say that maybe this is an extension of the 5th wave, I'm going to add this one now for okay. So this is another possibility now that I want to just explore. What if? Well, this is a way 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're making an extension. So it means that starting from here, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and then we're going to have a 3, a 4, and a 5, and only then we're going to complete this 5th wave. So this is something that could happen, and then we actually make it honestly more sense in a way to make an extension, but just want to put things in perspective. Let me see, where was it? So I take the length of the wave 1 and I add it. I think this doesn't make sense. Where is it now? Let me think something happened with my stuff. Okay, so this is 1. This is 1. And 4, it's here. So try to be a little bit most accurate I can. So you can see that we didn't reach the 1-to-1 ratio. I took the length of the wave 1, I added to the wave 4. And we did miss a little bit. Maybe I should even zoom in a little bit more to have more details here. Yeah, pretty much accurate. So we should have gone to the $40.36, but you know, how much did we go now? High, $39.50. I mean, it's pretty close, right? But for a 5th wave, we always, you know, ideally maybe at least reach the 1-to-1 ratio. Anyway, so this is another way we could maybe see things. So if we do something like that and we make an extension, so definitely we should get somewhere near the 1.618 at 42.66. So now decision point is if we go below 37.28, definitely we're going to take this path and I'm going to accumulate more at this level. If now we reverse and we make a nice impulsive movement, or you know, on a side one, maybe we're going to do a diagonal. I don't know, it looks a little bit like a diagonal here because I don't see very much impulsive movement. So that's yeah, so that's what I'm looking now. Key point 37.28. If we break that, here it's our level, and yeah, I do have some leverage here, so I'm going to increase my position at this level somewhere. For sure, this again is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. I'm sharing with you what I'm doing. All right, so this is pretty much all for AVAX. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Bye.